G'day everyone and welcome to Nature Walk. Now all around me is a noxious weed. That's noxious, not obnoxious, if that's what you're wondering. Now this weed is a creeper called morning glory. Now as beautiful as it is and it may look pretty, this is a plant that you do not need in a garden next to other plants because it will suck the life out of them. Now its flowers do look pretty, of course. Now we are in autumn here in Western Australia, going into winter. So during winter time this will probably become a lot greener. And it does climb to the most highest of places, whether it's building or trees. Definitely not something that you want in your garden. If it is going to drain the life out of other plants. Certainly gives us that old style look. It is beautiful. I do love nature, and as much as I would like to remove this creeper out here in the bush, it is not my place to do so. I do love this area. It is next to home, of course. So enjoy the view, and until next time, see you then.